Hello, welcome to my channel, and this is a quick update for my channel. I just want to tell you all who are my supporters and subscribers that from now on I am available on Patreon also. This is my page, and as on Patreon there will be many readings which will be exclusive only for the people who join me on Patreon. Okay, so there will be many readings which will not be available on YouTube now. Maybe you find a different set of readings on YouTube, but they will be exclusive only for Patreons, and the readings on YouTube may be entirely different. They may be the extended versions of the YouTube which are available on the Patreons, which will be available again only for the people who are available on Patreon or who join me on Patreon. Sorry. Okay, so as you can see, this is my page. This is my page over here, and we have three levels: the Empress, the Lovers, and the Star. On the Empress level, you will have access to weekly pick a card readings and current energy check-ins for all the individual signs. On the Lovers level, you have what is available in the Empress Plus. We have monthly zodiac sign readings, love and relationship readings, which may be of different types. Okay, it depends how I navigate through this. And in the Star level, what you will find these two, plus you will have weekly text posts and exclusive monthly videos on different topics. Okay, apart from what I have mentioned now, because I'm really not sure, these are all intuitive readings, you know that. So it's not whatever I have mentioned, it will be the only content available over here. You can find much more: your personal life, your professional life, the blockages in the relationships, what's blocking this relationship to progress, something like that, or what are their current feelings, anything. So it will just depend on what I choose to do at that particular time and what I feel like doing. Okay, so that's all. This is what I'm just giving you an overview, because this is what I've actually planned. Okay, now apart from this, on YouTube you may find a different type of readings. Okay, on YouTube you may find different type of readings. I'll decide what that will be. And the current energy check-ins which I have done released yesterday, these were just a sort of a glimpse to what something like that will be available on Patreon, and something even more than that. Okay, so now on, apart from YouTube and Instagram, I'll be available on Patreons also. You are available, and you are requested you are requested to join me there, support me there, and the link will be mentioned in the description box. I just hope to see you all. Bye. Thank you.